Hello everybody and welcome to the Grange HT Assembly for the last week of Autumn 1 Half Term 2020. You know about the CC Way. Your character is your strength. That's what we believe at Grange. You know who I am, Mr. Kerbal, your head teacher. And what are we aiming for at Grange? Well, we know the CC Way. It's all about having a great caring attitude, really trying your best, always learning, especially from your mistakes. We're not afraid to make mistakes. We learn from them and embrace them. We want to go for improvement and progress. We don't really look to the left or the right. We just know inside ourselves that we need to always strive for improvement and progress. We see our education as helping us to learn to make great choices as we go further forward in our lives, and we never give up. Now, we've been focusing on wisdom. So remember, what is wisdom? And remember, we've talked a lot about this, and we've spoken about it and thought about it, and we know that wisdom is not like intelligence. It's not like being clever. It's about learning from every experience you have. It's about thinking deeply. It's about really, really looking into everything that you have learned and experienced and using it to make great choices. So, within wisdom, we've spoken about love of learning, which is one of the character strengths that make up wisdom. If you love learning, you are going to grow your wisdom. Now, here's an image, and this is going to be the particular character strength that we're talking about today. So pause the video over here and have a little bit of a chat to the person next to you or with your adult in the class. What does this image make you think of? Pause the video. Okay, welcome back. So, what we're going to look at today is curiosity. Now, what does curiosity actually mean? Well, curiosity could mean having an open mind and really wanting to find out things. It's not like you just have your opinion and you're not prepared to find out things. You have an open mind. It could mean asking lots of questions so you find out more. And even when people think they know everything, sometimes just by asking questions, you find out more. It could be about trying out new experiences, whether that's food or whether that's travel or whether that's reading a new book or learning a new subject or meeting a new person, trying out new experiences. And also, it could be about exploring and finding out more about the world. This is the power of curiosity. This is why curiosity can really help you to grow your wisdom. So, we always like to think of ways that we can actually put what we learn into action. So here are 3 powerful curiosity actions. Well, one action of curiosity is to ask questions. So number 1, just ask more questions. Don't be afraid to ask more questions. Interesting questions, questions that open up discussion, questions that help you to learn. Be ready to learn more. So sometimes that can happen to us. We're all human beings. We think, I know this. I can't really learn anymore. I don't need to learn anymore. But the point is, if you are ready to learn more, you never know when you just might find out something amazing. And number 3, enjoy trying out new experiences. It's a little bit scary sometimes trying out new experience because you think, maybe I won't be good at it. Maybe I might embarrass myself because I don't know. For example, if you're learning a new language and you're prepared to try out talking to somebody who speaks that language, it could make you sometimes a little bit vulnerable. But if you enjoy trying out new experiences, you will grow, you will learn, and your wisdom will grow. So we know the Grange CC Way. It's about being confident, looking out for yourself, realizing that you are worthy, and also being considerate and caring about everybody else. We know Grange CC lining up because basically if you are ready, if you are lining up and you are ready and you work as a member of your learning community, you're going to learn really, really well. CC walking as well. You walk with confidence, but you walk with consideration. Our school is a great place of learning. It's a great community of learning, and you are part of that. So stars of the week this week, well, golds. Michelle, fantastic. Aliyah, brilliant. Habiz, amazing. Krasian, great to see you with a really great start at Grange. And Ferris, well done. These are people who got gold in the Grange House of Water, 2,196 points. That's brilliant. Piratus with 21, Madi with 22, Shaili 22, Suber 22, Parisas 23, Sultan 25, Nora 26, Ikram 26, Anna 26, Rayan 29. Devesh, well done to you as well. Great start at Grange, 30. Agash 32. Pharrell 34. Really good progress there. Aliyah 35. Mariama 35. Ayana 35. Sakina 35. Zara 36. And Zara, but you can see the spelling, our other Zara, 38, really brilliant. And Ilya, 37, that's fantastic. Grange House of Water, keep going. Ayat, 37, brilliant. Abdullah A, 39. Amira, 46. Stacy, 43. Bavita, 49. Aliyah, 54. Cosmina, 57. Really great work, House of Water. House of Fire, 1,961 points last week. Really great work. Hewad, 19. Soraya, 19. Vinaya, 19. Jalsan, 20. Fatima, 20. Dania, 21. Haida, 21. Elfie, 21. Patrick, 25. Maria, 27. Ansar, 28. Isaac, 29. Eric, 30. Farhad, 31. Yomindi, 31. Harun 33, Vishwesh 35, Shana 39, Princess 42, Amos 44, Murtiga 49, Medina 49. Brilliant work. Grange House of Air, 1,882 points last week. So, Sana 19, Ferris 19, Dana 19, Joel 20, Mario 20, Razor 21, Bianca 22, Arzu 22, Dara, again, great start at Grange, 23, Shema 24, Ibra 29, Jaden 33, Blessing 35, Ajay 35, Nicoletta 35, great work, Shravan 36, Dua 36, excellent Dua, Imran 38, Krasian, great work, 39, Mariam 44, and Abdullah D, let's just look at that again, 46 points, great work. Grange House of Earth, 2,277 points. That is a huge total. Nemo with 19, Joel 19, Asia 19, Jody 20, Anushanth 20, Alicia 21, Lala 21, Tebarek 24, Hedron 24, Samra 24, Ali R 24, Ayub 25, Danusha 26, Lena 26, Anastasia 26, Wasim 29, Eddie 34 points, brilliant progress, Layan 34, Aitan 35, Stefania 35, Dikshan 38, Jabril 38, Divian 39, Zohaib 41, Evelina 45, brilliant, Sana H 46, amazing, Maha 46, and Michelle a whopping 52. Well done. We've got Rice as well on 66 points. Brilliant work. And Habiz on 96. Let's just have a look at that again. Habiz, 96 points. Amazing. So the whole Grange community, 8,316 points last week. That is brilliant. And the whole Grange community. So I'm going to mention a person over here. Let's look at the champion class contributions. Well, in Luther King class, 550 points. Well done, Luther King class. In Gandhi class, 554. Can you see only 4 more points? So sometimes you're the person who just makes a tiny difference. Gandhi class, you just crept ahead of Luther King class by 4 points. Who was it who got those 4 points? Mandela class with 812 points. But our champion class in Upper Key Stage 2 at Grange is once again Tubman class with 838 points. Not that far ahead of Mandela class, but once again, Tubman class, 838 points. And I do want to mention in Tubman class, a special mention for Mustafa, because this week I really feel Mustafa took responsibility for his learning, put the past behind him, and decided that if he talks to his teacher and takes control of his learning, and he becomes the boss of himself, he can really, really move forward. And that is brilliant. CC, learning what we love to see at Grange. So Mustafa, thank you for inspiring all of us. And Tubman class, you've done 2 weeks breaking the 1,000-point barrier. No other class at Grange has done that. This week got 838 points. Just keep going. Remember what we say, progress. So our positive CC points running total is 34,762 points. And remember, our goal was 21,000 points. We said if we got 21,000 points that Freddie would make a video, and I'm happy to say that Freddie is ready. He's very proud of the children of Grange. We're hoping that he's going to be able to pop into Grange for this Friday afternoon, visit the children, and especially the champion classes. I'll have to look who those champion classes are, but I have no hesitation. I'm sure Tubman, Mandela class, you are in the running for most points. You're going to need to be very quiet and calm, so that's considerate. If Freddie does pop in, because he does find he doesn't like too much noise and fuss, and if there's too much noise and fuss, he finds it overwhelming. And he's going to be with his mummy, Miss Edwards. So you can already watch Freddie's 21K, that stands for 1,000, 21K plus videos on the Grange Primary Harrow YouTube channel, where Freddie has made his video to say here he's very proud of the children of Grange. So be great, be Grange. Live your lives with confidence and consideration. Enjoy the week ahead, which is our last week of Autumn 1 half term in 2020. Be safe and happy. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other. Let's achieve our potential. Let's finish off our Autumn 1 half term for 2020 in a really great way. We are proud of ourselves. Be great, be Grange.